Goa, the land of sun, sea, sand, and scooters. But if you're someone who craves adventure, loves the thrill of the open road, and seeks to explore the hidden corners of this tropical paradise, then there's one companion that stands above the rest, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Whether it's cruising along the coastal roads, zipping through the winding lanes of the Western Ghats, or venturing into the heart of the Goan villages, the Meteor 350 is not just a motorcycle, it's an experience. Let's take a ride and see why this bike is the ideal way to discover Goa. Royal Enfield, the brand synonymous with rugged charm and a rich legacy, has been a cornerstone of the motorcycle world for over a century. Their bikes aren't just about the ride, they're about the journey, the thrill, and the spirit of freedom. The Meteor 350 is the latest gem in Royal Enfield's illustrious lineup, combining classic styling with modern engineering. With its iconic cruiser design, it calls to those who seek a smooth, relaxed ride, while still offering power and performance. It's the perfect blend of old-school nostalgia and contemporary comfort, and in the beautiful state of Goa, it feels like the bike was made for these roads. Let's talk about the design. The Meteor 350 boasts a timeless, retro look that's classic, yet undeniably fresh. Its round headlamp, bold teardrop fuel tank, and chrome detailing give it an old-school vibe, while the muscular stance and comfortable riding position make it perfect for long hauls. The Meteor is built for comfort. Its wide, cushioned seat and ergonomically designed handlebars ensure that every journey, whether it's a leisurely ride to the beach or an exploration of Goa's hinterland, feels like a breeze. Goa's roads are as diverse as its culture. From the pristine beaches of Palolem to the cobbled streets of Old Goa, the Meteor 350 handles them all with grace. The relaxed cruiser geometry and wide tires ensure stability and comfort, whether you're riding on tarred roads or gravel pathways. It's a versatile bike, one that feels right at home in the tropical surroundings of Goa. Under the hood, the Meteor 350 is powered by a single-cylinder, 349cc engine that delivers smooth and reliable power. It's not about speed, it's about control. The engine provides enough grunt to tackle Goan hills, yet it maintains a smooth throttle response, making it ideal for relaxed cruising. With 20.2 horsepower and 27 Nm of torque, the Meteor 350 offers enough power to keep you going on long stretches of beach roads or up into the lush, green hills. The engine is paired with a 5-speed gearbox, and the smooth clutch action ensures effortless gear shifts, whether you're navigating city traffic or embarking on a weekend getaway. Goa's hills are a perfect playground for the Meteor 350. The bike's ability to maintain a steady pace, whether going uphill or cruising downhill, gives riders the confidence to explore even the toughest terrains. With an upright riding position, the view from the saddle becomes even more spectacular as the landscapes unfold before you. The wide handlebars and soft suspension work together to provide a comfortable ride that can easily handle uneven roads and bumpy trails. The bike's performance shines through when navigating Goan coastal roads. As you roll along the winding routes with the ocean breeze in your face, the Meteor 350 provides a smooth, steady ride. Its dual-channel ABS ensures safe handling even on wet or slippery surfaces, which is crucial when riding along the monsoon-slicked roads of Goa. In the rains or on dry days, the Meteor always feels sure-footed.